Hi everyone, it's Toiba again from Toys Lab Creation. Today we want to do a new tutorial. I am sorry I didn't post the past week. I gave birth and I'm going to make up for that video this week. So today I want to do a simple little baby girl shoe. And the sole is also going to be worked flat. So for this project we are going to be needing 3.5mm hook, 2 stitch markers. They need a spot width yarn, but I have fingering weight yarn with me, so I'm going to be doubling the fingering weight yarn to make up for the spot width yarn that we need for this project. I'm going to be needing a tapestry needle, scissors, and tape measure to measure the size of the sew. This shoe is going to be for a 0 to 3 months old size. The 0 to 6 months old size is available on my Ravelry and Etsy store. You can check that out. I'm going to put the link to my stores in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get down to this project. So I'm going to start with the slip knot. Then I'm going to chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So in the second stitch from the hook, I'm going to skip this first. So in this second one, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet in this stitch. Then we'll mark this stitch. Then in each chain, I'm going to do 1 single crochet in each chain. So at the end of this row 1, we should have 24 single crochet. So continue and I will meet you at the end of the row. So I've come to the end of row 1 and I have a total of 24 single crochets. So for row 2 now, I'm going to chain 2, turn. In the very first stitch, you're going to make 2 half double crochets. So after the first half double crochet, insert your stitch marker. Then in that same stitch, 1 more half double crochet. In the next 8 stitches, you're going to be doing 1 half double crochet each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. My stitch marker fell off. Let me replace it. If you can work without stitch marker, it's totally fine. I'm adding it for the beginners. So in the next 6 stitches, I'm going to be doing 2 half double crochet in each stitch. So in this one, 2 half double crochet. 1 and 2. I'm going to do this 5 more times. 1, 2. So 1, 2. So we have 5 so far, and for the last one, 1, 2. So in the next 8 stitches, you're going to be doing one half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the last, 8. In the last stitch, you're going to be doing 2 half double crochet in there. And 2. That's the end of row 2. So for row 3 now, we chain 2, 1, 2, turn our work, and in this very first stitch, 2 half double crochet. So 1 and 2. And in each stitch across, I'm going to be doing 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Then in the last one, this one we have our stitch marker in, we're going to be doing 2 half double crochet. So continue, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. So let's finish row 3 together. So in this last stitch, you're going to be having 2 half double crochets. So 1, 2. Then for row 4, we chain 1, turn our work, and in the front loops only, this is the front loop, this is the back loop, the one closest to you, in the front loops only, we are going to be doing 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So you can see what I'm doing. So continue, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. So let's finish row 4 together. 1 single crochet in front loops only. So that's the end of row 4. So for row 5, we chain 2, turn our work, 1 half double crochet in each stitch across. You're going to be going through both loops, not just the front loop here again. You're going through both loops. So that's the first one. Continue. 1 half double crochet in each stitch across. So continue. I will join you at the end of the row. Let's finish row 5 together. You have the stitch marker, yarn over, 1 half double crochet in this stitch, then chain 1. For row 6 now, 1 single crochet in this first stitch. Insert your stitch marker. Then 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 half double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we are going to double crochet 2 together 4 times. So let's start. Yarn over, insert into this, yarn over, pull 2 through, then yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull 2 through, and yarn over, pull 2, 3. That's double crochet together. I'm going to do this 3 more times. So 3, So then we repeat 4 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the last 9 stitches, 1 single crochet in each stitch. So do that and I'll meet you at the end of the row. So let's finish row 6 together. 1 single crochet in the last stitch. So chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet in the first stitch here. Then replace stitch marker. One single crochet in the next 8, just like the previous row. Four, 5. If you are just watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe. 7 and 8. Then the next 4 stitches, 1 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then I'm going to double crochet 2 together twice. That's 1 and 2. Then 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the last 9 stitches, 1 single crochet in each stitch. So continue and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Let's finish row 7 together. Remove stitch marker, 1 single crochet in this stitch, chain 1. And for the next row, here, which is our final row, chain 1 in the first, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and in the next 7 stitches, 1 single crochet each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then 1 half double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then double crochet together twice. 1, 2. Then 1 half double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the last 8 stitches, 1 single crochet each. 1, 2. So finish up and I'll join you at the end of the row. So I've finished row 8 and I've cut off my yarn. You can see what our booty looks like now. So what the next thing to do is to put the right sides together and sew up from the wrong side. Sorry, this is the wrong side. It is this line that indicates the right and the wrong side. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. So with the right sides facing, you're going to sew up the seam from this end up to this side. So take our tapestry needle, we thread it with the yarn of the same color, of course. Then we sew it up. So go ahead and sew up your shoe while I sew up mine, and I'll come back with the end results. So I finished sewing up the seam and I've made the second booty too. You can see how lovely it looks in the dummy foot. So let's measure the sole of the booty. You can see here you have 3.5. So this is size of 0 to 3 months. If you want to make for 0 to 6 months, you can find that in my Ravelry and Etsy store. I'll put the link in the description box below. Also, you can add an embellishment of your choice, maybe a bow or a flower to the top of this booty. If you do like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to this video. Also, I would like to ask a question. In my next video, what video should I make? Should I make a booty, a tutorial on a booty work flat, a booty with a flap, or should I make the baby sneakers that is worked flat? I would really love to hear from you. You can put your answers in the comments below, and I'll use that to judge my next video. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.